Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is.
On Amazon you will get a number of different products. But we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Personal air cooler for indoor and outdoor spaces. Switch to an eco-friendly solution with Ontel Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. Featuring Hydro Chill technology and cooling control with dual cooling jets. It helps cool and humidify the air around you. Space-saving portable design. The compact, sleek design allows you to place the box cooler on your office desk, nightstand, coffee table, or kitchen counter. It is lightweight, so you can easily carry it around the house or while traveling. Energy-efficient cooling device. The Arctic Air Pure Chill Cooler operates on 8 to 10 watts of power to minimize energy consumption. The multi-directional air vents allow you to adjust the direction of airflow, making it perfect for any room or office. Easy-to-use cooler. Pour water in the top fill tank. Plug it in and enjoy refreshing cooler air all night long. Runs for up to 10 hours *, so you don't have to worry about frequent refilling. Depending on speed setting, room temperature and humidity levels. Convenient controls. The personal air cooling unit is equipped with easy-to-use touch controls to switch between the 4 speed settings, and built-in LED nightlight with 7 fun color options. Everything you need to operate your cooler in one place.
The number 3 on the list is.
Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. 3-in-1 unit delivers a precise, targeted cool. Cools extra large rooms, supplies 14,000. ASHRAE 8600. SACC. BTU cooling power where it is needed most. Targeted cool delivered right to you. Cool Surround technology uses Bluetooth technology to monitor temperature and humidity around the remote control and delivers targeted cool right to you. Multifunctional for maximum comfort. 3-in-1 unit serves as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, or fan. The quietest cool. With all of this power, you might expect the noise to match. But the PAC EX390LVYN is equipped with Arctic Whisper Extreme technology. Quiet mode, meaning your comfort doesn't have to cause a clamor. Operating at near whisper levels. This portable AC unit cools and dehumidifies your room without disruption. Balance temperature and humidity. Industry-exclusive Eco-Real Feel technology provides an unmatched level of comfort, securing the ideal balance between temperature and humidity while saving up to 30% in energy consumption. With Eco-Real Feel, the EX390LVYN monitors your surrounding climate to optimize comfort and efficiency. It cools and dries the air, turning any room into your ideal comfort zone. Cleaner air. The washable filter screens impurities from entering the unit and is simple and easy to clean under the faucet. Show more.
The number 2 on the list is.
Many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums. and communities. The environment you need at your fingertips. Convert every place you go to with a comforting and chilly ambience with our portable home AC. With 8,000 BTU of portable cooling power and 350 square featuring of coverage. Save time and money while enjoying the temperatures you need. 3-in-1 operations, an AC, a dehumidifier, and a fan. A chilly room temperature from a room air conditioner is not always the requirement, because of which it comes with a built-in dehumidifier and a fan mode with 3 speed settings. Switching between these modes is super easy with the remote controller. Design and aesthetics that stand out. The small portable window air conditioner comes with a sleek and freestanding design that allows you to carry your vibe along. It becomes an aesthetic centerpiece at your office, bedroom, living room, meeting room, garage, and more. Also, the operating noise levels of only 55 to 57 dBA ensures an even luxurious experience. Auto swing, timer, push button control and more. Serene Life's portable AC unit for rooms comes with loads of features for ultimate convenience. A built-in 24 hours timer comes with an automatic swing mode. You can control everything for your indoor air conditioner with the remote controller or the LED display with a push-button control panel. It also comes with automatic self-evaporation technology. Easy setup and maintenance with an exhaust kit and a removable air filter. Your quiet portable air cooler for room is quick and easy to set up. Just take your AC where it is required and install the window mount exhaust kit and the exhaust hose in a few minutes and you are done. Also, the removable air filter makes it super easy to wash.
The number 1 on the list is
this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Portable AC. Take this personal air conditioner. 16.5 inches by 11.7 inches by 27.9. Into any room of your choice. Stay cool in the hot summer months and sleep well with this Black Plus Deco AC unit for bedroom. Controller type. Remote control. 3-in-1. Our 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner includes a dehumidifier and fan. This portable air conditioner, 62.4 pounds, has a convenient remote control and top-mounted control panel with LED display. Impressive features. Set the temperature just right with this AC portable air conditioner. Our AC unit portable also has a slide-out washable filter, auto water evaporation, and 24-hour timer. Easy mobility, with casters on the bottom and side handles on this small air conditioner. This air cooler and portable AC 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner can be moved from room to room without hassle. Installation kit. When it comes to fans that blow cold air, this indoor AC unit includes an easy-to-install window kit. A large, vented airflow outlet ushers in cool air bypassing window installation. Product application. Heater cool.